How to fix Apple Pay not working. Whenever you double click on your side button, Apple Pay should work. But if it doesn't work, then what you need to do is, firstly you have to check your settings. So open up your settings application, scroll down, go to this option of wallet and Apple Pay. Now you have to make sure you have add a card, you have set up a card, and your card is fully active. Sometimes due to this reason, your Apple Pay might not work. So you have to make sure you have added a card and it is fully active. Likewise, you have to make sure you have toggle on for this option, double click side button. And after you do that, you can just check it out if it works or not. If this way it doesn't work, then what you need to do is you can just restart your phone. So you can tap on your volume down button and power button at the same time. Now you can just slide to power off and restart your phone. Likewise, the another thing you can do is to fix this problem, you can just update your software. For that, go to the option of general, tap on the option software update. Update if any updates are available. You can see that I have update available, that is iOS 16.3.1. You can tap on download and install and update your software as you have any update like I do. By applying all of these methods, your problem is surely gonna be fixed. This is how you fix Apple Pay not working. At the end, if your problem is solved, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.